You got antlers?
I love your antlers.
Where's it?
Boom.
Yeah.
Ah! All right, what's up, OG? You just keep doing your thing. Keep leading. We need more veterans in this game. Don't leave. Have a little fun. Let's go, baby.
Hey, I'm mic'd up. Want to say something to the camera?
Hey, Renee. Hey, Jacob. Ella. It's Jack.
Woo!
Joe Ingles on the floor, gives it up to Pat Connaughton, who drills the three in the corner.
Get that defense flying, man. We won't be defend, we get out and run. That's when we're at our best.
And back comes Jokic. Whips it to Gordon. And he knocks it down.
Did you see that pass?
Aquaman holds it, now gives it to Ja Morant. There he is elevating in the lane. Counted and one. Ja Morant.
And one! Big dog! Now it's that time. End the game. End the game. It's going to be James, pick and roll. Take on the individual challenge. No rejects. Good hedges. Be up connected. No lazy defense.
As soon as we get it, sprint. Those kicker heads, all that is great. And attack that rim in transition.
Do. They're not fouling yet. They steal it. Schroeder all the way. Scores. Lakers lead. 120.